Most people only use one or two AI tools, usually Chat, GPT, or Gemini, and completely miss some of the most useful tools available today. The problem isn't that there aren't enough AI tools. It's the opposite. There are now thousands of them, and most are either overhyped, confusing, or simply not worth your time. So I spent time digging through dozens of AI tools to find the ones that are genuinely useful for students, freelancers, content creators, professionals, and just about anyone looking to work smarter. In this video, I'll show you 7 free AI tools that stand out for solving real problems, from research and writing to presentations, voice generation, music creation, and more. Let's start with one of the most powerful AI assistants available right now. The first tool is Claude. At first glance, Claude might look like just another AI chatbot, but it's actually one of the best tools for working with large amounts of information. Let's say you have a lengthy report, research paper, PDF, or even hundreds of pages of notes. Instead of spending hours reading through everything manually, you can upload it to Claude and ask questions about the content, request summaries, or even have it explain difficult concepts in simpler terms. What makes Claude stand out is how well it handles long documents while still giving detailed and organized responses. It's especially useful for students, researchers, writers, and professionals who regularly work with large amounts of text. Claude is also surprisingly strong when it comes to coding. Whether you're trying to write a simple script, build a website, debug an error, or understand a complex piece of code, Claude can break things down clearly and help you find solutions much faster. You can use it to brainstorm ideas, improve writing, generate content, analyze information, and even assist with both beginner and advanced programming projects. The free version is already powerful enough for most people, which makes it one of the easiest AI tools to recommend. But if finding accurate information online is your main priority, the next tool might be even more useful. The next tool on the list is Perplexity. If you've ever used an AI chatbot and wondered whether the information it gave you was actually correct, Perplexity solves that problem. Unlike many AI tools that rely mainly on their training data, Perplexity actively searches the web in real time to find up-to-date information. More importantly, it shows you exactly where that information came from by providing source links and citations. This makes it incredibly useful for research, fact-checking, learning about current events, comparing products, and finding reliable information without spending hours jumping between dozens of websites. For students, professionals, and content creators, this can save a huge amount of time. Instead of opening 10 browser tabs and trying to piece information together yourself, you can ask Perplexity a question and get a well-organized answer backed by sources. It can also analyze documents, summarize reports, and help you dig deeper into topics when you need more than a simple answer. If Google Search and an AI assistant had a smarter child together, it would probably look a lot like Perplexity. But if you're more interested in creating something rather than researching it, the next tool takes a completely different approach. The third tool is Suno. Imagine being able to create a complete song in seconds without touching a musical instrument, recording a vocal, or opening complicated music software. That's exactly what Suno does. All you need to do is describe the type of song you want, whether it's a pop track, a rap song, a cinematic soundtrack, a motivational anthem, or even a funny song about an inside joke, and Suno generates it for you. What's impressive isn't just the speed. The quality is surprisingly good, especially considering that everything from the lyrics to the vocals and instrumentals can be generated by AI. Content creators can use it to create background music, marketers can generate custom audio for projects, and everyday users can simply have fun experimenting with ideas that would normally require a studio and a production team. Even if you have zero musical experience, Suno makes it possible to turn a simple idea into a finished song within minutes. And once you see what people are creating with it, it's hard not to spend way more time on the platform than you planned. But while Suno helps you create music, the next tool helps you create something most students and professionals struggle with: presentations. The fourth tool is Gamma. If you've ever had to create a presentation for school, work, or a project, you know how much time can disappear just trying to organize slides and make everything look presentable. Gamma makes that process much faster. You can give it a topic, a short outline, or even a simple prompt, and it will generate a presentation structure for you within minutes. From there, you can edit the content, adjust the design, and customize it however you like. It's useful for students preparing assignments, professionals creating reports, freelancers building client presentations, and anyone who needs to communicate ideas clearly without spending hours designing slides from scratch. What I like about Gamma is that it helps you get past the hardest part, getting started. Instead of facing a blank screen, you already have a solid draft that you can improve and personalize. And if you're someone who spends a lot of time learning from documents, notes, or research materials, the next tool is definitely worth checking out. The fifth tool is NotebookLM. Most AI tools start with information they've already been trained on. NotebookLM works differently. Instead of relying only on general knowledge, you can upload your own materials, such as lecture notes, PDFs, research papers, reports, meeting notes, or even entire textbooks, and ask questions specifically about those documents. Think of it as having a personal AI study partner that understands the exact material you're working with. For students, this means you can upload class notes and ask for summaries, explanations, quizzes, or simplified breakdowns of difficult topics. For professionals, it can help organize reports, analyze documents, and quickly find important information without manually searching through hundreds of pages. One of its most impressive features is the ability to turn uploaded content into natural-sounding, podcast-style discussions, making it possible to learn while walking, commuting, or doing other tasks. Instead of spending hours digging through documents looking for answers, NotebookLM helps you interact directly with your own information. And if you've ever wanted AI-generated voices that sound surprisingly realistic, the next tool is definitely worth knowing about. The sixth tool is ElevenLabs. If you've ever wanted professional-sounding voiceovers without buying expensive recording equipment or spending hours recording your own voice, ElevenLabs is one of the best tools available right now. Simply paste your text, choose a voice, and ElevenLabs can generate realistic speech within seconds. What makes it stand out is how natural many of the voices sound. Unlike older text-to-speech tools that often sounded robotic and unnatural, ElevenLabs produces voices with much better pacing, tone, and clarity. In fact, if you're wondering about the voice you're hearing right now, it was generated using ElevenLabs. This makes it useful for YouTube creators, educators, marketers, businesses, audiobook projects, training materials, and anyone who needs high-quality voice content. It can also help with dubbing, narration, and content localization, allowing creators to reach audiences in different languages without recording everything manually. Whether you're creating videos, presentations, online courses, or digital content, ElevenLabs can save a significant amount of time while maintaining a professional result. And speaking of AI assistants, the final tool on this list combines several powerful features into one platform. The final tool is DeepSeek. Over the past year, DeepSeek has become one of the most talked about AI assistants, and for good reason. Like other AI chatbots, it can help with writing, brainstorming, summarizing information, and answering questions. But where DeepSeek really stands out is the amount of capability it offers for free. It's especially useful for coding, problem solving, research, and other technical tasks. Whether you're trying to understand a programming concept, generate code, fix an error, or explore a new idea, DeepSeek can often deliver surprisingly strong results. It also includes web search capabilities, document support, and image generation features, making it more of an all-in-one AI workspace rather than just a simple chatbot. For students, developers, creators, and professionals, it's one of the easiest AI tools to start using because the free version already provides a lot of value. The reality is that most people only use one AI tool and ignore everything else. But as you've seen in this video, different tools excel at different tasks. Whether you're writing, researching, creating presentations, generating music, producing voiceovers, or studying, there's a good chance one of these tools can save you time and make your work easier. If you found at least one useful tool in this list, kindly leave a like on the video. It helps the channel and lets me know you'd like to see more content like this. And if you're interested in AI tools, automation, productivity systems, and practical ways to work smarter, consider subscribing to Margin Mode so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.